Welcome all English practice with Sharif. Today I will discuss all about pronoun, different kinds of pronoun, reflexive pronoun, interrogative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, distributive pronouns. Please stay with me at the end of the video. Subscribe, like and click the bell icon. Share the video. Reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns end in self or selves. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Use a reflexive pronoun when both the subject and the object of a verb refer to the same person or thing. Rima does not trust herself. Herself reflexive pronoun refer to Rima. I did it to myself. Myself reflexive pronoun refer to subject I. Interrogative pronouns. An interrogative pronoun is used to ask a question. The interrogative pronouns are what, which, who, whom, and whose. Who, whom, and whose refer to questions related to a person or animal. What refers to an idea, object, or event, and which can indicate either a person or a things. What was the name of your dog? Who works for you? Whom do you prefer in this competition? What, who, whom are interrogative pronouns. Example. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns normally indicate the closeness of or distance from the speaker, either literally or symbolically. These, that, and those are the demonstrative pronouns. Sometimes either, none, and such are also used as demonstrative pronouns. Should they bring those? Those are beautiful. This is the last one that I left in the box. Those and these, example of demonstrative pronouns. Distributive pronouns. Is, either, and neither are called distributive pronouns because they refer to persons or things one at a time. Note that a distributive pronoun is always singular, and as such it should be followed by a singular noun and verb. His boy was given a prize. Neither accusation is true. Notes. Is of, either of, and either of are followed by plural nouns and singular verbs. Neither of the girls can do that. Each of the answers is correct. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video.